Racing just is started with Banglaw Island. Break quickly, restart rushing upon the outside is a lucky girl. Bungangera is racing in third, and in fourth comes Sibareto, while Princess Tinda is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch, we have Lucky Girl enjoying a length lead. Bungangera now moving up, then next on line is Sibareto. Banglaw Island comes next, while Princess Tinda now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Lucky Girl. Bungangera is on the outside, and 3 lengths back. In third comes Sibareto. Banglaw Island comes next, while Princess Tinda is still racing in less. And at the far turn, we have 2 runners still matching their strides together. Bungangera moving up now on the outside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Bungangera by a length, followed by Lucky Girl in second. Sibareto, Banglaw Island as they swing for home. Bungangera now increasing its marker to about 4 lengths over Lucky Girl in second. Sibareto, last 75 meters, we have Bungangera, and finally Bungangera, Lucky Girl, Sibareto, Banglaw Island, and Princess Tinda.
And it was the top choice who let her running do the talking. Number 2, Bungangera with Leo Quadra Jr. At